In the first light of dawn, a ritual unfolds. The pursuit of the perfect cup of coffee. The enveloping warmth, the silent promise of a day reborn. Central to this ritual, the Goudveer F1. More than a grinder, it's an experience. Crafted from ultra-strong 420 stainless steel, the Burr's tensile strength is a monumental 1,586 MPa, 3 times more durable than standard steel. It's engineered to impress, offering 100 levels of grind particle fineness adjustments. You're empowered from espresso to French press. Weighing in at 450 grams, it's the lightest professional dual-mode coffee grinder on the market. Designed in the picturesque landscapes of the Netherlands, the Goudveer F1 is a statement of luxury. Experience luxury in every grind. Back Goudveer F1 on Kickstarter now.